Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to play Idle Cult Empire Evil Tycoon and how to progress efficiently, especially if you're just starting out. So, let's dive in. Now, when you first jump into the game, your main goal is to build and grow your evil cult empire. You'll do this by constructing buildings, producing resources, recruiting followers, completing chapters, earning money even while you're offline. The stronger your cult gets, the faster everything runs for you. Early on, your progress depends heavily on building the right structures. Focus on resource producing buildings like wood, food, coins, since these are required for almost every upgrade and expansion. Always pay attention to what your current quest is asking for, because quests are designed to guide you through the most efficient path. Followers are just as important as buildings. Make sure you're recruiting cult members and assigning them to your structures. Buildings without followers don't produce anything, so keeping everything staffed is key. As you unlock higher level followers, production speeds up even more. Upgrading is where real growth happens. Prioritize upgrades that boost production, speed, storage, capacity, and idle earnings. Resource buildings should always come first, followed by storage, so you don't hit caps and waste income. Also, try not to spend too much on cosmetic upgrades early on. Chapters and tasks are your main progress system. Completing them rewards you with resources, coins, crystals, and new unlocks. You always want to keep at least one task running so you're never stuck waiting. And crystals, these are the premium currency, so you want to use them carefully. Right, so they're best spent on permanent boosts, major speed ups, or key unlocks that save you hours of waiting. And you also want to avoid spending crystals on small instant resources early in the game. And if you're playing free to play just like me, ads can actually help a lot. Watching ads can double offline rewards, give free crystals, or temporarily boost production, making progressions much smoother. Finally, remember this is an idle game. Before logging out, upgrade your production, assign all followers, and boost idle bonuses when possible. And when you come back, collect your rewards and keep expanding. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.